Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be going over how to build a power module for the pipe buoy. In this example we're going to be using just two Shorty LiPo batteries. However, the way it's set up, you can use as many or as few batteries as you want. But that's what we're going to do for this example. Before starting the build, you're always going to want to go to GitHub and get the latest part files. It's easy to see what parts are in the library and to download them directly. So for this one, we're going to need one generic module and two Shorty straps. These are straps to mount the Shorty LiPo batteries to the generic module. And we have two of these, which of course means you have to download the part twice. Once you have the part file, of course you can just slice and print to your at-home 3D printer using whatever your favorite software package is. And they're designed to fit and play nicely with most resin printers. So I'm sure that they'll have no problem fitting on FDM as well. And if you don't have a 3D printer, it's absolutely not a problem. There are a lot of services you can go to get these kind of things made. And here we're on PCBWay, and I think you'll find that it's actually more economic to get them made here than to even make them yourself if you're already tooled up. And so you can see to get the parts we need made from PCBWay would cost a total of $13.20 plus shipping and handling. And this is resin printing, which is the exact same method I use to make my own parts.